later, here we are for 2 more full details, scratch remove in a house all in one spot, maximizing my dollar in a set location. Thanks to my equipment, this ain't the first time. In my past, and for most of y'all, this would be 2 appointments, 2 different days. But it's my past and 10,000 hours that put me here. Check me out. Before I had the box truck, I didn't foresee its full potential. Got the box truck. Now I'm self-contained with a bigger tank, problem solved. Nope, not yet. On many occasions, I still had an issue. Not a problem, but an issue. I'm still faced with the need to return to either do the car or the home. Nothing left to do now but combine detailing and home pressure washing into one vehicle. Sounds easy? Not quite. Now I'm faced with the dilemma, am I even charging enough to afford to travel in this box truck? Now guess what? Prices gotta go up. Are you following me now? All I'm saying is cause and effect. It gets deep. Here I am today living my dream, orchestrating team building and still carrying out the gotta see it to believe it campaign. No hours wasted on the road to success.
Sun up to sundown is what I expected. It's all good because I'm built for this. I took this opportunity to build with Sporties and get a first-hand look on how he does things, up close and personal. I must say, I'm very impressed. In part 1, Sporties mentioned 10,000 hours. Well, he's referring to the book The Outliers, The Key to Success, written by Malcolm Gladwell. The author seems to believe that the key to success in any field is simply a matter of practicing a specific task that can be accomplished with a 20-hour work week for 10 years. That's the math. I have to say I agree with Gladwell. In so many words, you will not be successful unless you put the time in. So you can tap dance all you want, you can fake the funk, the joke's on you. We all know what success looks like. And let's keep it real. Detailing ain't rocket science. Anyone can do this. Discover what works for you, develop a system, perfect that system, then duplicate. Keep it simple, stupid. See, here's the thing. I don't take direction from just anyone. I gotta see the experience. It's got to be proven. Sporties has a nice catalog of videos showing boats, planes, washing houses, surface cleaning, RVs, and the list goes on. So in my opinion, he's the perfect person to learn from. This was a great experience seeing this face to face, and it did something to me. It gave me a new outlook on the way I'll be doing things from here on out. A new outlook on business. It's bigger than detailing. Shouts out to the new wave. Peace.
Come on now. Once a young boy myself, I idolized the old heads. So like most of us, I jumped off the porch, headed nowhere fast, on my way to a jail cell with my MBA degree. I knew I could run any business, just picked the wrong one, and failure resulted in a bid. Losing a year and a half, I could never get back. 8 years later, still at it, like I was just released. Working like a madman, as if I got a family to feed. Oh yeah, I fell off, like many times before, and got up every time. Bet you I got it right today. You can learn a whole lot watching somebody. You can learn even more next to them. Now it's reach one, teach one at a time, but you gotta want it. When the student is ready, the teacher will appear. Jersey, what up? New wave, What up?